Look at this shrine. This is a shrine worshipping the tree. Similar to the Datuk Gong shrine. It looks as though the tree is sacred being. And right next to this is another shrine with all 5 Datuk Gongs and an extra one, a 6th statue. Looks like a Tu Di Gong and Datuk Gong together. Check this out. Datuk Gong on top of a snake, or himself on top of some rocks. And all 5 colors: the green, red, white, and black. Scuts. Plaque over here with the yin yang flags. Beautiful shrine. This is actually just beside a road. Look at it. It's a road in Pudu. Say hi, Atu. Yep, this needs to be cleaned out. This looks really cool. So many statues, all in one shrine. Very beautiful. There's the tree over here. Look at this, it says no pork. That's in Malay and Chinese. English, Malay and Chinese. No pork allowed, so I guess you can't give anything with pork here. Yeah, it's sometimes difficult to tell what you can serve with Datuk Gong. You're not sure, so it doesn't say that you need to give only halal food, but I guess no pork.